Hello, my name is Edison Javier Roncancio Monroy. I'm a student of Seguridad y Salud en el Trabajo. Today I will explain the information shared in STT1 describing place presents the Professor Jose Yeleisa Machado on Monday, December 16. In the session, the tutor beginning with Inspector Create B. Roy Bennett. Don't be pushed around be the first in your mind, the let be the dream in your heart. This could allow me to believe that the path of education is the best way to achieve our dreams and goals. Initially, probing the following question in which we can describe place we like or want to visit. My response would be is question one, big or place you like or want to visit, why? I would like you to visit Medellin because I have a friend who moved to this city a few years ago, and every time we sang, she mentioned how much she liked it. She talked about its food, landscape, and people. I would like to visit Medellin because my friend enjoy it so much, and also to have the opportunity to visit her. Question 2. Is the proportion is to relax and what would be perfect plan to be its descriptive? For me, a relaxed place would be a label because it has so full of culture and history. There are many places to walk around and discover not to mention its gastronomy, which is one of the best. I also enjoy visiting the visit Chocolate Museum and Morrison Way. After that, she explained the correct way the script lines. Categorized side the small growing spouse appearance, vertical color, modern, old, atmospheric, heat, noise, peaceful, light, geographic, mountain, cold, tropical, urban, rural. We are with grammatic related to comparative, where with students still another different exam. Short adjective, lot adjective, irregular exam. Bogota is bigger than Sincelejo. Medellin is more intense than Cali. Bucaramanga is better in security matters than Cartagena. Thank you for that attention.